Hi again, everyone. It is Wednesday morning, July 20th, 2022. In this video, I'm going to give you some key price levels for today. This is the Vedic chart. We have one key window this morning from 8:46 to 10:05. We have the bright green window here on the A2 panel, and then we have the two white windows that are going to come in the evening when we get into the next day session after 1800. We've got a cross current on the Astro Excel today, so one line is pushing down, one line is pushing up. I think today's going to be sort of mixed. I've made three price projections. I made one to the upside around 39.80, and then I made three downside projections. I don't think we're going to have the kind of volatility today to take out yesterday's low, so that the one above the high and the two below the high are going to be the most important. So the one that we're approaching here is about 39.19. We're 10 points away from that now. And then the next one down is about 38.61. So those are key levels that you definitely want to be watching today along with the timer tools. So you can see yesterday we had this strong trend up. We had a lot of bullishness on this chart. It was in contrast to the Astro Excel, but we also had the bright green window. And once we broke this low yesterday, or rather the morning high, once we broke the morning high yesterday at 644 here, when we're in this big bright green window, we're going to run and we're pushing up into new highs in that window. So we made the final high right here late in that window, and then the market rolled over. So now you've got one upside target and then two important downside targets. I think the third one is going to be a little bit out of reach here. We'll see, but I don't think we're going to get. I think the pressure today is going to be the downside, but I don't think it's going to be a waterfall type of decline after that move yesterday. But we'll see what happens. Anyhow, those three price levels key for today.